algebraic expressions. Learning objectives. At the end of this class, students will able to define algebraic expressions and polynomials, classify algebraic expressions, understand standard form of a polynomial, understand degree of a polynomial. First, we'll discuss algebraic expressions. In 7th grade, we already discussed algebraic expressions. So, recap. An algebraic expression is a combination of constant and variables connected by the sign of fundamental operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division sign. For example, 4x minus 11, 3y plus 2, 7a minus 2b plus 5, all are algebraic expressions. Constants have numerical values like 2, 5, 6, 7, while variables can take different numerical values and are represented by letters of English alphabet like X, Y, Z. It means constants are numbers, counting numbers. Variables are all alphabets like A to Z. Example, constants like I took one number, 6. Variables X, Y, Z. Algebraic operations. So we discussed already plus, minus, multiplication, division. So algebraic expression means 4x plus 9y plus z. Coefficient. Coefficient. The numerical factor is said to be the numerical coefficient or simply the coefficient of term. For example, 20y square minus 3xyz. In the term 20y square, 20 is the coefficient of y square. Again, in the term minus 3xyz, minus 3 is the coefficient of xyz. If you observe here, so 20y square. So 20y square, coefficient of y square is remaining part 20. If you observe here, minus 3xyz. So minus 3 is the coefficient of xyz. In general, a coefficient may be either a numerical factor or an algebraic factor, or a product of two or more factors. It means coefficient means not numerical, not numbers. Coefficient means variables also. So in the term 7xy, 7 is the coefficient of xy. So if you observe, 7 is the coefficient of remaining whole term like xy. So if you take x is the coefficient of 7y. So if you take x as a coefficient, so remaining part 7 and y. So x is the coefficient of 7y. Now tell me, y is the coefficient of xy, 7x. So y is the coefficient of 7x. One more example. In 5x y square. So 5 is the coefficient of xy square. So 5 is the coefficient of remaining part. If you take next example, x is the coefficient of 5y square. X is the coefficient of 5y square. If you take last one, y square is the coefficient of 5x. So this is the main. Now 5x minus 3 is a algebraic expression. Terms means term before operation, like before plus or before minus. Plus and minus divide that terms. So 5x is one term, 3 also another term. So these two are called terms. So x is a variable, 3 is a constant. So this 5 is a coefficient. The parts of algebra expression: term, a part of expression separated by addition or subtraction. Variable, already we discussed, is the unknown value represented by a letter in algebraic expression. Constant, the term in an algebraic expression that never change. Coefficient, already we discussed, a number multiplied by the variables. For example, so now tell me here, what is the constant? So constant is minus 4. Very good. Coefficient of x. So coefficient of x is 5. So coefficient of y. So here y is there. Here nothing is there means 1. So coefficient of y is minus 1. Coefficient of z. So here 2. So number of terms. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total there are 4 terms. I repeat, constant minus 4. Coefficient of x 5. Coefficient of y minus 1. Coefficient of z 2. Coefficient number of terms are 4. Total 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us discuss polynomials. An algebraic expression that has one or more terms with non-zero coefficient and has variables having non-negative exponents is called polynomials. It means if you take, for example, 2x power 3 minus 4, they are saying that more than with non-zero coefficient has the variables having non-negative exponents. This is the exponents, like power. Power should be non-negative means power should be positive. First, this is algebraic expression. Power is positive. So this is called polynomial. Or one more definition: an algebraic expression which consists 1, 2 or more terms is called polynomial. Examples: 8x square minus 6x plus 6. So there are 3 terms are there, no problem. So power is positive. Here x square, so power is positive. Here x, nothing is there, 1. This is also positive. That's why 8x square minus 6x plus 6 is a polynomial. So here observe second example, x power minus 10. So if you take this one, minus 10, this is exponent is negative. So however 1 is negative. So our definition is the power should be positive. So here power is negative. That's why it's not a polynomial. Third one, 2 by x cube minus 6x. If you take, so denominator x cube, if you write as a numerator, it will come power is negative. So minus 6x. However, power is negative. That's why it's not a polynomial. We know that 1 by a power n is equal to a power minus n. So denominator power is positive, numerator is negative. That's why x cube is denominator. If you write as a numerator, power is negative. So this is not a polynomial. So if you take also like one more also, x power fraction also there. For example, 1 by 2 and minus 2 also not a polynomial. So power should be positive integer. Keep it in mind. Power is positive integer. It's not in. It is not negative and it's not in fraction also. Integer. Power is positive integer only. It's polynomial. Next, we'll discuss more examples. So 2a plus 5b is a polynomial in two variables. So two terms. So one is 2a plus 5b. Two terms are there and a and b two different variables also there. So 3xy plus 5x plus 1 is a polynomial. There are three terms are there. 1, 2, 3. So in two variables, here variables are x and y. So if you observe here 3y power 4, 2y cube plus 7y square minus 9x. So if you, this 3 by 5 is a polynomial, 5 terms in variables x and y. So there are 5 terms are there, but it's a polynomial. 3 terms, polynomial. 4 terms, polynomial. So last, I think 7 terms, only one variable. Here 2 variables, 3 variables is not a matter. So all powers are positive integers. That's why all are polynomials. Standard form of a polynomial. Writing a polynomial in the decreasing power of the variables is called standard form. For example, 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 5 plus 6x power 5 minus 5x power 4. If you observe, power is 3 here, power 2, here 1, here power is 5. So the power, highest power is here is there. So the given terms, given expression, we have to arrange in decreasing order, like decreasing order, decreasing power order, like. So if you observe that highest power is 6 power 5, you have to write first. Next, minus 5x power 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like constant. So polynomial, we have to write in decreasing power rate, like. So is called standard form. How to find the degree of a polynomial? The degree of a polynomial is the greatest of the exponents or powers of its various terms. The highest power of the term is in polynomial is called degree. You give an example. Example of polynomials and its degree. So for the polynomial 4x square, 3x power 5, 5x power 6. So here we observe that the above polynomial has 3 terms. So one term, second, like third. Here the first term is 4x square, the second term is minus 3x power 5, third term is 5x power 6. Now we'll determine the exponent of each. Exponent means power. Here power is 2, here power is 5, here power is 6. Like the first term, if you take, the power is 2. If you take second term, power is 5. If you take third term, power is 6. So what is the highest now? Highest power is 6. So the degree of the polynomial also 6. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial highest power is called degree. Find the degree of the polynomial. One more example like. So if you discuss 11x cube, so degree power is 3. So here 13x power 5, this is the next second term, power is 5. If you take third term, so here 4x, here nothing is there, 1. So highest is 5. Therefore degree of this polynomial is 5. So now we'll discuss types of polynomials. Polynomials are divided into two parts. So based on, observe here, types of polynomial based on degree, types of polynomial based on terms. Already we know that. Now we discuss based on degree. Degree means highest power. If based on power, polynomials are divided into linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, by quadratic polynomial. So if that means if degree is 1 means, so for example 2x power 1 plus 3. So if degree is 1, linear polynomial, for example 2x square plus 3. So here power is 2, that means degree is 2, that's why quadratic polynomial. So 2x cube plus 3. So here degree is 3, that's why cubic polynomial. So 2x power 4 plus 3, for example. So here degree is 4, so it's by quadratic polynomial. So here children, this is binomial, there are two terms, you are right, but based on degree means here degree is 1, linear, degree 2, quadratic, degree 3, cubic, degree 4 by quadratic. So we know that monomial means one term, for example 2, one term. So 2x is a monomial, 2x plus 3 is a binomial. So already I wrote 2x plus 3. Here degree 1, that's a linear. Here only based on terms, you can write same, but based on degree is linear, based on terms is binomial. If you take one more 2x plus y plus 3, 3 terms are there, is a trinomial. So you have to remember, already in 7th grade and all we know monomial, binomial, trinomial. Just now get clarity that polynomials also, like monomials also polynomials, binomial polynomials, trinomial polynomials, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial. Polynomial means the power is positive of algebraic expression. It's a polynomial. That means all are polynomials. Types of polynomial classification on the basis of number of terms. Already we discussed. So monomial, binomial, trinomial. 4 terms are there, like we don't have name, like polynomials, we can call that. Monomial. Polynomial containing one term is called monomial. So if you observe that 5x square minus 2 by 3xy, 7y and 6. Binomial, a polynomial containing 2 terms is called binomial. This is the example. So if you observe, here degree 2 is there, power 2, it's not a matter, but I'm discussing based on the terms. That's why 7x square plus 3z is binomial. If you discuss based on degree, it's a quadratic, trinomial, 3 terms. So this is example. So if you take one algebraic expressions, the types, Only if you observe 5x square, only one term monomial, two terms binomial, three terms trinomial. So these two are variables. This is called coefficient constant. In one expression, monomial, binomial can divide into all. So monomial, an algebraic expression which consists of one non-zero terms only is called a monomial. So I'll give you so many like examples. So AB square, here two variables A and B, 10 AB square. So A and B both are variables. Mn, 5m square n. So Mn are two variables. You can add any variables like number of variables, no problem. It's one term is monomial. Binomial. So here two terms, two variables, two terms. Here also two variables. 5x cube minus 9y square. There are two variables. So don't think about degree. So based on terms only we'll discuss. Trinomial, an algebraic expression of three non-zero terms only is called trinomial. So based on terms. There are x, y, z is a trinomial. 2a square plus 5a. Here only one variable you can write, three variables you can write, two variables you can write. So here two variables. Here also two variables. Types of polynomial based on degree. So constant polynomial. Polynomial of degree is 0. So if there is, already we discussed, linear means if degree is 1, linear degree 2, quadratic degree 3, cubic. So if degree is 0, is a constant polynomial. Constant polynomial means numbers. Polynomials of various degrees. Linear polynomial, if degree 1, linear polynomial. So if you observe, x power, nothing is there 1, y also not power 1. So the general form of a linear polynomial in one variable x is x plus b, a and b, where a and b are like numbers. Quadratic polynomial. If the degree of the polynomial, degree is 2, is quadratic polynomial. If you observe, power is 2, degree is 2. That's why it is a quadratic polynomial. Don't think about terms. So general form is ax square plus bx plus c. Cubic polynomial. If the degree of the polynomial is 3, then the polynomial is called cubic polynomial. So observe, the degree is 3. There are 4 terms, no problem. But degree is 3. That's why it's a cubic polynomial. General form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Multinomial. This is most important. An algebraic expression containing one or more terms is called multinomial. Already we given same definition for polynomial also. Now, example, if you observe here, if x power minus 2, it's not a polynomial, we discussed, because power is positive integer. If power is negative, it's called multinomial, but not a polynomial. It means, please note that all polynomials are multinomials. Polynomials means positive. So polynomials are multinomials, but all multinomials need not be polynomials. That means this is multinomial. So this is not a polynomial. That's why polynomials are multinomials, but multinomials need not be polynomials. Zero of a polynomial. The number for which the value of a polynomial is 0 is called zero of a polynomial. It means if you substitute any value, if you get 0, is called zero of a polynomial. Like example, 0 of the polynomial. If you substitute x minus 4 is there. If you want to get 0, x value replaced by 4. So 4 minus 4, 0. That's a 0 of a polynomial. So this is 0 of a, this is 0 polynomial. If all coefficients of a polynomials are 0, then it's called 0 of a polynomial. Example, so x square plus bx plus c, all coefficients here, coefficient is a, coefficient is b, coefficient is c. If coefficients are 0, is 0 polynomial. Just observe difference. 0 of a polynomial. 0 of a polynomial means when you are replacing by variables with numbers, you have to get 0. Here, coefficients only 0. Constant polynomial. Already we discussed constant polynomials means numbers. The polynomial have degree 0 is called constant polynomial. Example, just numbers. Degree of the 0 polynomial is not defined, means there is no. Let us recap. Like definition of algebraic expressions and polynomials. So the algebraic expression means constants and variables are connected by 4 arithmetic operations: plus, minus, multiplication, division is called algebraic expression. So classification of algebraic expressions. So classification means all types of polynomials. Standard form of a polynomial. So I told you, so we have to write based on degree. So descending order of degree.